We got a nice fight coming up between Gabriela Fundora and her very much tough opponent Marilyn Badida. None of these chicas has ever been defeated or knocked out, and sadly, someone's has to go, pretty much, which is pretty much no pity. But Gabriela Fundora riding a score of 15-0. She was better than Celeste Alanis, Daniela Sanjo, Cristina Cruz, Harela Musino, Maria Santizo, and many other high-level opponents. But Marilyn Badillo is more of a tactical boxer. Only one draw. She is 5'3", 65 inches of reach, but she was better than Graciela Cortez, Melissa Meraz, Tania Garcia Hernandez, Edna Maltos. I'm having a feeling over 8.5 is a good call. I see Gabriela Fundora winning this fight via decision. Don't see a knockout here. This is good pairing, and both chicas are really, really good.